Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching the best affiliate program to join in 2020. Well, you're in the right place because what I'm going to break down is what I truly believe to be the best affiliate program after being online full-time for 5 years now. I've seen tons of different affiliate programs. I've invested thousands of dollars of my hard-earned money into different things. Many times they have missing pieces and they promise the world and they never actually deliver. Maybe you've experienced that yourself and you're smart enough to really research which one is the best. Now, before I dive into this video, I want to share with you some proof because I want you to realize that if this is the first time you're seeing my video, that I am actually legitimately making money. Now you can see on the screen, these are two different payments that actually I received commissions with affiliate products I was promoting, and I received these on total autopilot. And again, what I'm going to share with you is an affiliate program in a second that if you don't have a lot of time, if you don't want to do a lot of effort, if you're brand new, you're going to be able to use this affiliate program and start to generate money completely on autopilot. So you can see right here, hello Garrett, you've received a Powerline payment of $1,000, okay? So I received $1,000. I believe I was out hanging out with a friend when this commission was made with the affiliate program I'm gonna share in a second. And then Vertex Elite Alert, this is a notification of a $500 commission, okay? So what would it feel like to be able to wake up to sales? What would it be able to feel like to log into your email inbox and feel that rush of excitement as you see you've made another commission while you were hanging out with your loved ones? Well, that's not too far from what's exactly going to be happening to you when you do find out more about this program. Now, real quick, what I want to share with you is at any point in this video, if you do decide that this program that I'm going to share is something you want to do or check out more information on, there's going to be a link in the description that you can click and find out full information. But now what I want to do is I have 5 things that you really need to have in place no matter what affiliate program you decide to join. But what I'm going to do is share with you that this program that I'm going to reveal to you has all these in place. So if you were to go out there and you want to make money on autopilot with an affiliate program, you need to have these in place anyway. But oftentimes many of them have some of these missing, or you have to create some of these yourself. But this system, this affiliate program that I'm revealing to you has all these done for you. And that's another reason why this is my best, most recommended affiliate program in 2020. Now, the very first thing you need to have in place with an affiliate program is a core desire. Now, what is a core desire? Well, I mean, this is something you have to have. A core desire is you need to identify for yourself what is motivating you to make money online, right? Because a lot of people, they think if they just want to make some money, that's enough to motivate you, because there are going to be some ups and downs. Even if it's totally on autopilot, if you try to create a business online, you are going to have some days where it's not as profitable as some others. This is just part of the game. So if you have a strong desire, whether it's you want to get your kids through college, whether it's you want to travel more, you want to create more memories with your loved ones, you just want to be able to sleep in and not have to go to a job you hate. Whatever your desire is, you want to have one and you want to focus on that daily. This is going to keep you motivated when, again, things, may not go the way you truly want. Now, number 2 is a marketing funnel, okay? Now, what is a marketing funnel and why does an affiliate program need to have this in place? A marketing funnel is essentially something that will take a person from someone that is interested and will move that person all the way through the process of getting them to buy, because getting someone to buy an affiliate product online is a process. If you think back to maybe you've bought a product online before, chances are you didn't just go to that website and buy instantly. It took you some time, right? You had to be followed up with. You had to see more information. Well, if you have a marketing funnel in place that will do all that for you, you can be relaxing at home, with a loved one, and still the lead is being followed up with and being converted into a buyer while you're just relaxing. And that's how you can literally check your email inbox and see a sale from someone that you didn't even meet. Okay, so that's something you want to have in place. And again, at the link below, you'll be able to find out how you can get access to a totally done for you marketing funnel. Now, follow-up emails, like I alluded to, like I mentioned, you need to be able to follow up with someone. Most people, statistically, are not going to decide to buy instantly. Most people are not going to see an opportunity in front of them and get started immediately. They need to be followed up with. So how do we do this online in a way that's totally on autopilot? Well, what we do is when we have a marketing funnel in place, we collect people's email addresses and then we follow up through emails. Now, you can actually set this up on autopilot. Now, many affiliate programs will not have emails in place. You would have to create the email, and oftentimes if you're brand new or if you're not good at selling, trying to figure out what to write in these emails is going to take a lot of work, a lot of painful thought, and you're not going to be able to convert that person, and you're wondering why it's not working. At the link below, you're going to be able to find out an affiliate program, and I'm going to share the exact program in a second, that has all the follow-up emails in place. Okay, dozens of days worth of follow-up emails. So once you get a lead to that funnel, the funnel will take over and start following up with that person for you. So this is truly powerful. Now, the fourth thing a good affiliate program needs is it needs simple ways to get traffic. Traffic, if you don't know, is basically getting a person, a visitor, to the front of your marketing funnel, and then the funnel should do everything else for you if it's set up properly. Now, a lot of people struggle when it comes to getting traffic and getting consistent visitors to their marketing funnel because the fortune is really in the leads that you're generating, okay? Now, how do you get simple ways to get traffic? Well, there's a lot of different ways online to get traffic and visitors. There's social media such as Facebook, YouTube. There's paid advertising such as Google Ads. But a good affiliate program, and again, the one at the link below, is gonna come with training that shows you real, up-to-date methods that are proven to get traffic. Because if you can get high quality traffic on a daily basis to a high converting funnel, then you're gonna be able to make consistent sales. And last but not least, this is actually something that most affiliate programs don't have, but I'm gonna throw this in, and that is a six-figure formula. See, if you wanna make 10K or more per month, if you wanna make six figures a year, you need to have a proven formula. Well, what I'm doing is I'm actually gonna throw in as a bonus my top training on exactly how I'm personally getting traffic to this affiliate program and how I'm making sales like this on a daily basis. Okay, and I'm gonna throw that in as a bonus totally for free when you position yourself at a certain level inside of this program. So now what program is this? Well, if you've seen one of my videos, this system, this affiliate program is called the Profits Passport. Now, why I love this is because most affiliate programs out there are not gonna pay you instantly, okay, which this program will actually pay you instantly, and then they will not pay you 100% commissions. Oftentimes, if you go out there and you make an affiliate commission, you'll only make about 30% to 40% of the money. So you do the work, you get the traffic, and you have to give away 70% of the money. Well, with this Profits Passport system that you've probably seen the tons of buzz lately as it's been one of the most popular systems due to this fact, this system pays you in one of the income streams instantly, okay? And you can make up to $2,000 in the first income stream instantly paid, okay? And you don't have to give away any of the percent. You make 100% commissions. Now there's 5 different income streams, and again, at the link below, or actually 6. The creator of this system just added one, which can pay you up to $1,250. So he's constantly making this system even better, which I love as well. It's not outdated. It's actually brand new at the time of recording this, okay? So at the link below, you'll be able to watch this video and then set up the different income streams. And once you do, and you position yourself at a certain level, you're gonna be able to get access, okay? And I share in this page, up to $4,000 worth of bonuses. Okay, now these bonuses include my Instagram marketing secrets, okay, how I grew to over 25,000 followers on total autopilot and generated thousands of dollars off my Instagram profile. You're gonna learn Twitter marketing secrets, how I gained thousands of Twitter followers and used that to make money YouTube marketing. I'm on YouTube right now as we speak, and I'm gonna share, how I made thousands of dollars on YouTube, okay? Facebook marketing, how I've generated thousands of dollars on my Facebook profile. And here's some testimonials of people that have been using the same program. Okay, he made $1,000. You're also gonna receive all of these incredible bonuses, okay? Some paid advertising training with Facebook ads, how to retarget people. Remember, the fortune's in the follow-up as well. And you wanna follow up with retargeting. I share in that course how to do that, okay? Now this is worth over $4,467. You're gonna get that free when you simply come in the Easy 1-Up income stream at the Vertex level or higher, okay? An Easy 1-Up is this first income stream, okay? And if you just do that, I will send you all these incredible bonuses for free, okay? And again, I want you to realize that I'm a real person, right? This is my Facebook profile, okay? I have over 8,000 people following me. I've been doing this for years, and I really wanted to shortcut your results. So if you liked this video, my friend, be sure to click the like button. If you have any questions, comment below about this affiliate program. Again, I want to help you really get the results you want in 2020 and beyond. I'm constantly sharing results on my Facebook. Feel free to connect with me on my Facebook profile. Okay, right here I made over $600. I had another payment come in with another payment method, but on total autopilot, okay, and just using what I've shared with you in this video in the system. So thanks so much for watching. Take action, right? Take action. If you have that core desire, you want to help out your family, you want to put your kids through college, you want to just have more free time to do the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with, go down below, click that link, position yourself in this business, and I look forward to working with you very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the inside.